Take a picture walking out there.
Come on, girl. Back. Come on.
She said click this to stop
No.
it, right?
Yeah, but you can picture it right here.
She said this is for the picture, dummy.
Okay, yeah. That has to be cute. They're gonna watch this later. Now, what were these girls doing?
Your mom's so cute. What is she doing?
I'm getting a rock out of my
Did you hear her? I don't like this without my life doctor.
Where'd she go?
Okay, I'm done.
She's a scary cat. Oh, the hit. I thought she was going to let her go by herself. Look at these flowers.
Where the fuck?
She's scared. We always get mad at her though because she never goes. Move.
Go over there, come on.
How do you take a picture?
You have to like stop.